Alarms to all companies stand by. This is your pre-alert for a smoke condition at the European Wax Center, 852 Route 3 West. Stand by for dispatch. Alarms engine 4, engine 5, engine 6, truck 2, 82, engine 1. Respond to 852 Route 3 West to the European Wax Center for a smoke condition and the audible fire alarm. Engine 4, engine 5, engine 6, truck 2, 82, engine 1. Respond to 852 Route 3 West, European Wax Center for reports of smoke condition coming from the building and an audible fire alarm called in by a passerby. Time now 16:06.